Today we're going to be looking at how to write a part-to-part ratio. We have a couple of examples that we're going to work through together here, so let's get started. When writing a part-to-part ratio, it simply means that you're writing a ratio where you're comparing one part of a group to another part of a group. In question number 1, we're being asked to write a ratio for the number of pizzas compared to the number of pieces of sushi. When writing ratios, the order matters. So since we're being asked to compare the number of pizzas to the number of sushi, that means that the first number in our ratio needs to represent the quantity of pizzas. Well, here we can see that we have 3 pizzas, so the first number in our ratio is going to be a 3. And then we're going to put a colon to the right of that 3. And now we're going to write down the quantity for the total number of pieces of sushi, which we can see we have 6 pieces of sushi, so the second number in our ratio is going to be a 6 for a ratio of 3 to 6. Now we can simplify this ratio here, and we're going to do this by dividing both parts of the ratio by their greatest common factor, which in this case is 3. So we're going to divide both of these parts here by 3 in order to simplify this ratio. Well, when we divide 3 by 3, we get 1, and then when we divide 6 by 3, we get 2 for the ratio of 1 to 2, which means that for every pizza, there's 2 pieces of sushi. Now moving on to question number 2, where this time we're being asked to write a ratio for the number of donuts compared to the number of cups of coffee. So remembering that the order matters here, our first number in our ratio needs to represent the quantity of donuts. And we can see that we have 5 donuts here, so the first number in our ratio here is going to be a 5. And then the second number in our ratio needs to represent the number of cups of coffee, which we can see here we have 2 cups of coffee, so that means that we're going to have a ratio of 5 to 2, meaning that for every 5 donuts, we get 2 cups of coffee. And since there's no common factor between both 5 and 2 other than 1, we can't simplify this ratio any further. So hopefully by now you understand how to write a part-to-part ratio. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.